Guys, we're out over here in Dumbo. Thanks to Focus Camera coming and filming me shoot with the new A1. The camera is dope. I just shot with it for the past 10 minutes and man, that thing just keeps going. Come join me on the first photo shoot with my A1. That's what's up, guys. Beautiful with the posing, I love it. Look at me right there. God. Let's see how this works through the window. The focusing. Okay, I see what's going on here. Okay, we're gonna go across the street. I see some funky shadows. Let's keep the pose super simple and face me this way. I think I need my reflector here. See. We gotta find that pocket of light. Hold on. Look right over here. Now look at me from right there. Let me see that. So this camera, this A1, it is just easy to use. It's just so simple. I mean, this is really mirrorless altogether. Coming from a DSLR, it's just so different. But this camera, I mean, you just aim it, you push it, and it works. And I keep saying this over and over, but I don't know. It's just like, I can't get over that. It's just so easy. And then I was looking at the images. You could just keep zooming in, zooming in, zooming in. The sharpness is insane. So we're walking over here by the piers under the Brooklyn Bridge, and I never noticed how many people are shooting Sony. Every person here has a Sony camera. So everyone wants to know why I shoot an aperture priority. I don't want to think about my shutter speed at all while I'm shooting. I want to concentrate on getting the shot instead of getting the exposure right. With this camera, it's pretty cool. I was able to set a minimum shutter speed. So I said it should never go slower than 1/25th of a second. My ISO, I put that on auto also on this camera, which I've never done in the past, because I was able to choose a range of 50 to 800 ISO. Every once in a while, I take a look at my images on the back on a preview, and if I see the images are coming out too light or dark, I just turn the dial up here, which is the exposure compensation. Less time on settings, more time on getting the shot. That's what's up, you know what I'm saying? Wow, this thing is taking quick pictures. Just went through 3/4 of a memory card, and it's 128, man. All right, guys, what a day, what a day. This camera, it's impressive. Thank you so much to Focus Camera, who I've been partners for so many years, for the little knowledge that I have to share. Thank you guys for spreading the love and making it possible.